Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays to all of you. So I ended up picking up the beauty bag by Marc Jacobs, and I thought you would enjoy watching me unwrap it. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep watching. All right, guys, so normally it's an unboxing, but I already took it out of the box, but I did not go ahead and unwrap it yet, so I thought I'd wait for you guys. So this is the new The Beauty Bag Cosmetics Bag by Marc Jacobs. Let me go ahead and unwrap it so you don't have to listen to all the crinkling. Hold that thought. That is the most beautiful pink shade ever. Okay, so this is so beautiful. This comes in so many different shades. It really was hard for me to decide which one I wanted, but the pink was the winner in the end. It is so beautiful. Clearly I have a thing for pink. Okay, so there we have a leather zipper pull, and then on this side, let's go ahead and take this off. Okay, so that is a really cute sort of wristlet. If you wanted to carry it like that, you absolutely could. Little cutie retails for $95. It is 8 inches in the width of this bag, 5 inches in the height of this bag, and then the depth of the bag is 3 inches deep. And good size little cosmetics bag. It does have the little zipper pull. It also has the typical patch that Marc Jacobs has on all of its bags that says Marc Jacobs, the beauty bag. Now, I feel like this beautiful The Beauty Bag that's embossed on the front is so subtle but gorgeous. So it's not really an in-your-face pop, but it is definitely more subtle and muted, and I feel like it is so beautiful. All right, so let's check out the zipper. Okay, so the zipper feels pretty significant. It is smooth, and it seems a little bit on the chunky side in the best possible way. Has a great top zip closure, and it does have, I showed you the little wristlet strap, but it is actually removable, which is great. So if you don't want that on there, you can just take it off. So it does have the little lobster claw right there and the silver hardware. So really, really nice. Let's see the interior. Lots of stuffing. Okay. Oh, wow. That pop of pink inside the bag is stunning, you guys. So this is lined with this most gorgeous, kind of like, looks like a hot pink, more like a watermelon pink. So cute bag, as all Marc Jacobs bags are. I find this really beautiful. The color is stunning. The price point of $95 seems pretty spot on for Marc Jacobs. It is a leather with polyurethane coating, easy to wipe clean, in my opinion. I love that about this bag. I'm curious what fits in here. Can I fit a full face of makeup in here? We're about to find out. Okay, so let's start with what I would wear if I were going on a trip and I need a full face of makeup. I begin my makeup routine with a really good moisturizer. My favorite is Caudalie. They do now have this exact cream, which is the Intense Moisture. Great for this time of year if you have dry skin, but it's in a little tube, which is so much more convenient, especially for travel and to not take up as much space. But that's what I have for now. I'm just going to share what I actually have. Foundation, which is Estee Lauder Double Wear, and it does have a protective little cap so that it doesn't accidentally get dispensed in your bag. Awesome. So here is my foundation in there. Powder, this is my favorite by CoverGirl, the Radiance Advance, and set everything down with that. The Armani Eye Tint, this really adds a pop of color to your eye look, and 'tis the season to add a little extra glam. So all of this is fitting in here beautifully. Patrick Ta, yes, it's gross and dirty. I actually use this, people. So there is my bronzer on this side and the powder on the other. So let's put that in there. My pencils, so I have my Anastasia Brow Wiz. This is in the soft brown shade. Then I have my eyeliner by Chantecaille in the color Jasper, and a brightening eye as the waterline of my eye by Chantecaille. It's great. It's called the Brightening Eye Kajal, and these are all a must-have. I'm going to take my Lash Clash mascara and my Anastasia Brow Wiz. This is in the clear. I don't know about you, but I'm the kind of person that I have to take a variety of lipsticks with me because I never know what I'm going to feel like or what I'm wearing and how it's going to go with it. So I always have extra. So the lip products in this bag are going to be a little extra. Do you need them all? No, of course not. But like I said, I like options. So these are the ones I love to carry with me. I'll go ahead and swatch them for you just so you can see what they look like. First, I have the Velvet Teddy by MAC. This is in their holiday collection, and it is just the most gorgeous nude shade, super creamy. That's going with me. YSL in the shade 13, and yummy, delicious. Also a really creamy shade. Mattes don't really do me well in the wintertime. I'm just too dry, but these are so moisturizing and delicious and super pretty. Takai, this is in the color Patience. One is super creamy, and again, the color Patience, and it is the most beautiful sort of nudie pink shade. So have to take that one. Next, I have the Chanel. This is definitely a holiday shade for me anyway. In the Rouge Allure, I believe it's pronounced Extrait or Extra, not sure, but it's gorgeous all the same. I'm going to show you this one. Like I said, super creamy, not drying at all, and definitely a little bit more of a pop of color for holiday. I add that one. And then I always carry a lip gloss because sometimes it just really makes your lip look extra. Soul Search by Milk Makeup, and look how opaque, pinky, and creamy that is. So stunning. Like it just looks like glass on the lip. So there we have it, a completely stuffed bag of makeup. Let's make sure it closes like a dream. Buttery zip, beautiful bag. What do you guys think? Don't forget to leave me a comment down below on what your thoughts are on this beautiful The Beauty Bag by Marc Jacobs. Is this a bag you're interested in picking up? If so, in which color? There's so many colors on their website, and I'm curious which one is right for you. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and like it, and I'd love it so much if you'd subscribe to my channel so I can see you in my next video. Happy holidays, friends. Until next time. Bye.